as a manager intern in SEMS Welfare Foundation for 3 months. It was an amazing experience working there. I've learned a lot of things from there, like marketing skills and making posters, managing the event, coordinating it, and many other skills. I'm thankful to my mentor Atul Garg sir for guiding me in this journey, 3 months journey, and I'm thankful to the SEMS Welfare Foundation for giving me chance uh, in working there for the internship. And thank you everyone. It was amazing experience, and I've learned a lot of things from it. Thank you so much.
Hi, myself Vandana, and today I am sharing my experience as an event management intern with Seams FA Foundation. So this is my first internship, and I learned a lot of things from this internship, that how to conduct, how to manage, and how to organize educational events like webinars. I also learned about email marketing and lot of things. So I hope this will help me in my future and in my career. And it's been a great experience working with Seams and being a part of Seams family. So thank you so much Seams for giving me this chance, and thank you so much.
Hello, I am Kajal Singh and I was an intern, social media intern in SIMS, and it was a great opportunity for me to learn new things and see how social media works completely differently in the industry. In the first meeting, sir told us to look at the product like it's ours and do what it's best for it. And I think I fulfilled that, and it was a great experience working with this company since, and I can't wait to implement the learnings I had in this 3 months of internship in my professional life. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Suhani Agarwal and I just completed my internship at SEMS Welfare Foundation. It has been a learning experience, and I would like to thank Atul sir for giving me this opportunity and teaching me various skills.
Hello everyone, good evening. This is Reshma Kinake. I'm from Maharashtra state. First of all, I would like to thank the SEMS Welfare Foundation to give me the opportunity to work with them. I did a 2.5 month internship in marketing and business development. I learned a lot of new things in it, and how to social media and online marketing also, and how to communicate with the customer, as well as creating a marketing strategy. I didn't use Canva much, but here I learned to use it and make a different type of posters. And I don't know when my 2.5 month internship are ended. I got a great experience from this internship. Thank you so much, SEMS Welfare Foundation again. Thank you.
My name is Muskan Bharadia and I was a social media intern at SEMS Webs. Our guide was Atul sir, and he guided us very well throughout the 3 months of internship. Here I developed and learned the few things about the social media handles, like more focused on Instagram and Facebook. We were given a brand called Gift Nation and we need to promote them. We did very well. We did the final presentation as well. I learned to manage my time with my studies and the other internship from my college. Overall, this was a grand journey for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Ayush here. It was a very great experience working with Sims. From editing to handle a brand like this section, I have learned a lot from them. Especially I'm thankful to Atul sir. He guided me a lot.
Hello everyone. Recently I have completed my internship with SEMS Group in the field of management intern. I have to say that it was a really enriching experience. I got to learn a lot in terms of marketing, HR.
Hello, this is Niharika Sergam, and I have completed the 3 month internship at SIMS Foundation, and it was very good journey. I learned very new things, and Atul sir was so supportive and encouraging.
It was indeed a very great experience to work with SEMS Welfare Foundation. During these 3 months, I have learned many skills while working with SEMS Welfare Foundation, especially teamwork and team bonding, communication skills, work ethics and work culture of SEMS Welfare Foundation, and especially of course the management. I would like to thank everyone who was the integral part of this journey, and also like to thank SEMS Welfare Foundation for giving me this opportunity.
Hello everyone. I recently am completing my internship with Sims Web at position of social media marketing intern. This internship was very comprehensive and easy to understand. The instructors made sure that they are giving the information in the way that won't make me confused. This internship has taught me a lot of marketing knowledge and increasing my marketing knowledge. It was a very interesting and joyful internship. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav and I was a social media manager intern at SEMS Welfare Foundation for the last 3 months. Talking about my experience in the internship, I really enjoyed it. Being my first internship, it was a really good experience. Talking about the mentor which our team got was Atul Garg sir. He was a very motivating and very helpful. Like we used to ask him like really silly doubts, and he was always up for it. Like he would ask us anything which we knew and we couldn't say yes. Then it was never like a bad thing. He was really helpful throughout the journey. And like talking about the skills that I gained through the internship, I am pretty sure that wherever I go further in future, I will definitely require them. And not just about the social media, other skills like we were made to do presentations and give them in front of people. So that has really helped me in building communication skills and presentation skills, which are a very important part in today's world, as we all know it. And the overall experience of the internship was really well. So thank you.
Hi there, I'm Arbina Bilal, a BTech undergrad and an HR intern in SEMS Welfare Foundation. I'm glad to complete my nearly 8 weeks of internship in the HR department of this wonderful organization of SEMS. During my working experience as an HR intern in SEMS, I found it a great platform for enhancing your skills that are needed for the corporate world, like teammanship, group discussion, time management, meeting the deadlines, task completion, and all. As an HR intern, I would suggest the freshers for the internship in this wonderful organization, as they offer flexible time schedule, flexible working hours without actually disturbing your other schedules like work and studies. So thank you everyone, thank you SEMS for providing me such a great platform to work with. Thank you.
I learned to do quality work, to not be afraid of mistakes, to discuss problems and to find the best solution. In general, I can say that the internship at SEMS was an invaluable experience for me, and the knowledge and skill I gained during this period will certainly help me in future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Divya Chaudhary. I just completed my 3 months internship with SEMS Welfare Foundation. I got to learn many technical and non-technical skills during this journey. This was really a wonderful experience. The challenges I faced during this internship, and I defeated them with the help of our manager Atul sir and my wonderful teammates, was really a great journey. So thanks a lot SEMS Welfare Foundation for giving me this amazing opportunity, and when I got to explore a new field, a completely new field for me. So thank you.